What's up, guys? Today we're gonna work on a Teryx, and what are we gonna do to it? We're gonna change out the exhaust. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna put a, come over here. Oh, no, it's empty. We're gonna put a MagnaFlow. Yeah. We're gonna end up putting a MagnaFlow on it. I'm gonna show you the startup before and then the startup after it. It's exactly like mine. Don't mind mine. It's all muddy. Took it out to play this past weekend. But as you can see, there it is. And it's time to do this one. So I'm gonna give you a quick clip of how it sounds before and then how it sounds after. So yeah, I can have options on what to install on your side-by-side, four-wheeler, or any off-road vehicle you have. So this is a 2017 Teryx 800. So this is the biggest one there is. Well, the brand new ones are 1000, but on this year's, this was the biggest one. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, on the two-seater Teryx, it's easy to take off the exhaust. Literally only has this cover right here with 5 bolts, 10 millimeters, one on top, one on each side, and 2 over here in the back. Take that off, then it's gonna have 3 attached to the pipe, the muffler itself attached to a pipe, which are 12 millimeters. There's 3 of them. Take those off, and then take this 14 millimeter off, and it slides right off. So it's pretty easy. Then the 4-seaters like mine, that's over there. Took it out already. So you have to take off the whole bed, the back seats, all the covers. It's way more of a mess than this. This is way easier. So if you have a 2-seater Teryx, it's easy to put an exhaust on it. I mean, you can go with an aftermarket exhaust that bolts up to it, or in this case, putting the MagnaFlow on it. This sounds really good on it. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to hear on the audio as good as it sounds on person, but it sounds amazing compared to a couple $100 of an exhaust, a bolt-up exhaust that you're gonna buy. That sounds good on it. The bullet itself, the MagnaFlow bullet, sounds good on it, and the Flowmaster Super 10 or Cherry Bomb sounds good on it. Besides that, they don't really sound that good, the other mufflers. So take this off, weld up the other one, and I'll show you the results. Alright guys, it's in, ready to be turned on. See, I welded it up to original piping, made a bracket for it. It fits there perfectly. I'm gonna show you how it sounds now installed. If y'all like it, well, I'm not sure how it's gonna sound with the audio here, but personally, it sounds good. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet. You hear a difference. So, I'll show you that right now. Alright guys, I wasn't able to make an outro for it because I got busy, but that was the final product. Sounds great. It sounds better than the video, honestly, in person. If not, I wouldn't have put it on mine or put it on my buddy's Teryx. I actually did two the same orange ones. So I mean, it sounds great. Just the video itself never justifies of how good it sounds in person. But if you are looking to not waste so much money on a bolt-up exhaust from whatever brand on your ATV or UTV, go ahead with a Magnaflow Bullet. Both of them sound great. The Bullet, I'll keep it more for the quads, more for the four-wheelers, and the big Magnaflow, like the video, better for the ATV, for the UTVs and side by sides, because it's loud whenever you get on the gas. Whenever you just park, chilling, it's quiet. You hear a little rumble on it, but different from the stock exhaust. But until you don't give it gas, you don't hear it. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna post a quick vid on a Can-Am that I did a Magnaflow Bullet. I wasn't able to process, like, record it all, just final video of it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, give a like if you like what I did on the side by side on the Teryx, and there's more to come. Right now, on an upcoming video you're gonna see, I actually broke an axle on my side by side this past weekend, so I got it pretty stuck. So I'm gonna show you how to take that apart, put a new one on, and hopefully I mess up nothing else, because it was stuck for a good hour and a half. So that's pretty much it, guys. Still waiting on the wheels. I got the stock tires still. So hopefully soon I'll have more videos for y'all. Thank you, and yeah, stay safe.